You enjoy giving and receiving love at every moment. Your life is blessed with eternal youth, wealth, love, and much happiness. You are loved for the beautiful and kind person that you are. I love you.
I am blessed with wonderful gifts and experiences every day. My life is full of good health, gentle love, terrific success, and joyful happiness. I am grateful to be alive and have the great opportunity of experiencing another glorious day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am constantly surrounded by a healing white light that protects and guides me every step of the way. I am always in the right place at the right time. Life is simple and easy because I realize that it's all about savoring each moment and being grateful for the luxurious pleasure it gives me and everyone around. I appreciate the goodness of every wonderful moment. I enjoy taking time out every day for me, doing what I like to do and what makes me truly happy. It makes me feel empowered to be kind and to express love freely. It warms my soul and showers me with bliss. Giving and receiving goodness fills me with joy and contentment. That is the greatest reward, to be at peace with myself. I easily forgive myself and others for past actions because I know that nobody's perfect. We are all simply doing the best each of us can. When I give my best, that makes me feel complete and free. I am able to let go of the past because it is over and cannot be changed. And by doing so, I am able to clearly think of how I can make my life better today. It is my choice, the path I go down. I am in control of my feelings and emotions. How I feel is up to me. I choose to have a positive and bright outlook on things. The best and the highest comes to me at every moment. I gladly thank the universe for all of the great things I have in my life. And in return, the universe is happy to send more wonderful things into my life. The more I appreciate what I have, the more the universe can bless me with terrific health, beautiful love, infinite prosperity, eternal joy, and overflowing peace. What fabulous gifts and I appreciate them. I am worthy of them and accept them wholeheartedly. Health, love, prosperity, joy, and peace are a permanent part of my higher being. I am the light, and the light is me. We are one and at peace. Thank you that I have a roof over my head and a warm bed to sleep in. Thank you so much that I have food to eat and fresh water to drink every day. My body is grateful for it, and I feel marvelous. I am grateful for my eyesight, and I am also thankful for the ability to hear, to taste, to touch, and to smell. These are glorious sensations. Thank you. Thank you for them. Thank you. I am truly thankful for all of the success that I've had in my life so far. Even the small accomplishments mean so much and are very important. I always remember that. I am open to more success coming to me, and am grateful that it flows through my life and entire being all the time. I like who I am, and it is great when I share my kind talents with others. I give and receive good energy at every moment. I only allow positive, wonderful, and beautiful things in my life. I release all negativity, all of it. I only have room for good. Goodness comes to me easily and effortlessly. My body, mind, and soul are saturated with pure white light, cleansing me and rejuvenating my spirit at every moment. The healing light within me grows ever brighter with each passing day. My power to love is ever increasing and continues to spread to the whole world. I am free, open, and feel released. I love myself. Thank you for my life. I receive everything wonderful that I desire. I am a wonderful person. I grow younger and more beautiful every day. I am successful at everything I do. I love and accept myself for who I am. I am infinitely wealthy and rich, and have an infinite abundance of money and precious treasures. I am in the perfect love relationship with the perfect person for me. I deserve and receive happiness in every aspect of my life. The universe blesses me at every moment with love and joy. I am completely healthy in every way. My body, soul, and mind are in complete harmony with each other, which keeps me in perfect health and forever young. I am talented and creative. I enjoy being myself. I really am beautiful. I am special and unique. I accept myself for the wonderful person I am. I enjoy giving and receiving love at every moment. My life is blessed with eternal youth, wealth, love, and much happiness. I am loved for the beautiful and kind person that I am. I love myself very much.
The best and the highest surrounds me and protects me at every moment. The best and the highest surrounds me and protects me at every moment. The best and the highest surrounds me and protects me at every moment. Every day I receive all of the good things that make me a happier and better person. Every day I receive all of the good things that make me a happier and better person. Every day I receive all of the good things that make me a happier and better person. I grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. I grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. I grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. There is a healing white light that flows throughout my entire being, filling me with clean, healthy energy at every moment. There is a healing white light that flows throughout my entire being, filling me with clean, healthy energy at every moment. There is a healing white light that flows throughout my entire being, filling me with clean, healthy energy at every moment. Love kindness, and goodness protect me and guide me in every situation, at every moment. Love, kindness, and goodness protect me and guide me in every situation, at every moment. Love, kindness, and goodness protect me and guide me in every situation, at every moment. I love and accept myself for the special human being that I am. I love and accept myself for the special human being that I am. I love and accept myself for the special human being that I am. I am worthy of receiving true love, joyful happiness, good success, and gentle peace in every aspect of my life. And I receive all of these things every day. I am worthy of receiving true love, joyful happiness, good success, and gentle peace in every aspect of my life. And I receive all of these things every day. I am worthy of receiving true love, joyful happiness, good success, and gentle peace in every aspect of my life. And I receive all of these things every day. Thank you for all of the beautiful moments in my life. Thank you for all of the beautiful moments in my life. Thank you for all of the beautiful moments in my life. Thank you. Thank you.